So next we have a look at an operation. It's called swap, and what it does, it changes the landings of two objects. When we have a look at our three, we have a cut here in between those beats, and we see what's going on here, and we choose two throws which we want to change. And for instance, we could choose this one and this one. So this is going to land here, and this is going to land here. And now we want to change those two objects by landing on the same beat. So this object has to land here, and this one has to land here. Therefore, I simply conclude that we need this one. So the 1 is going to the next beat, this one is covered, and the 5 is going to this one. And here we want to change the objects. Okay, and here it's still the same state, like here. So same state. But the objects change.
Stopp. Du hast das Wort vergessen.
Was habe ich vergessen?
I want to change. Change field, the objects.
Ich habe auch das falsche Beispiel genommen. Das ist mir natürlich aufgefallen.
Ups.
Wir machen das einfach mal und wir lassen das etwa dran.
Ich lasse einfach laufen, dann können wir da.
Okay.
Kannst es nachher zurechtschneiden.
Ich lasse es auch einfach laufen.
Genau deswegen.
Okay. Das war ein Beispiel Teil, die ersten beiden. Ja. Okay, now we look at the operation. It's called swap, and what we do is we changes this operation changes the landings of two objects. When we got our 3-ball escape, we have here a cut, and we choose two objects that we want to change. For example, those two. This 3 will land here, and this one will land here. But we wanted it in a different way. We want that this bead will get the object from this row, and this bead will get the object of this row. So what we have to do, we have to change the numbers a little bit. So if we write down 4 to 3, we will see that it's exactly what we wanted. Because the 2 is coming 1, 2 right here, and the 4 is coming right here. So here we have the same state like over there. But we have changed the objects. And we just swap two objects at one time. And this is an operation, we call it swap, and it's not affecting anything because it's still the same state where we are. You just change the numbers a little bit. So when we look at this chain of beats and just numerate them, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and we do a 5 on beat 3, then this row will land here where we landed. It's like this is the next one. There's a 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So 5 will come down here. Alright? And this makes sense because on beat 3 we throw a 5, so this object lands on beat 8, which is 5 plus 3. Okay? So it's pretty, you just add the numbers and you get the beat where the object lands. And if we have a closer look at this here, and we want to swap, do we want to swap? Let's say this one and this one. We are searching for something for, I don't know, I call it X, and another thing we don't know, but we do know that we want here and here an object, and we want this this object here to land here on this beat, and this object here to land here, to swap them. Okay? And it makes sense to enumerate the beats here. Okay, I will also do it here. So this here will land at beat 5, because 5 plus 0 is 5. So I want this here plus 2 to also be of 5. Right? And I want my x to, this is starting at beat 0, so it's plus 0, and I want it to land on beat 3. So this has to be 3. So I just solve this equation. So here I got 3, and here I got also 3. And then went down here. We see that it's the solution we wanted, because the 3 is here going to this, and this 3 is going right here. So it's the same state.